scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by breaking the function down into 3 simple steps. Let us get started. First, observe the graph of f. It is a line with a slope of 1, passing through -1, 0, and 0, 1. Next, integrate f from 0 to x. The integral of t plus 1 is 1/2 t squared plus t. This gives us the quadratic expression for g of x right now. Finally, check the properties. G of 0 is 0, and the derivative is x plus 1. The graph must be a parabola opening upward with a vertex at x equals -1. Got it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore f of x or misread slope. Always use integral and check the vertex.